So hi, this is MD Naseem Akram, and I actually have made this project where we have analyzed the data of 2024 Indian Loksabha election, where BJP formed the government at the center, and Rahul Gandhi could not get sufficient seats, so he became the LOP. So you would see here in the left side that the BJP is forming the government by securing 292 seats, while if we talk about the Congress party, it has managed to get 234 seats. And since it's not enough to form the government at the center, so that's why Mr. Gandhi is in the power. Mr. Gandhi is in the opposition, and he is LOP right now. And we would see in others there are small parties like AIMIM and other parties which aren't in any of the alliances. So it has managed to got around 70 seats. So there would be several parties in others as well, and they have managed to get a total 3% of the seats. And you would see these are the parties which are associated to NDA, and here in the bottom we have the parties that are associated with the India alliance. So let's go to the other dashboards that we have made. So basically it is a state demographic analysis where you would find that which party has got what number of seats in what places in what state. So let's say that we want to see it for here. So it's basically the Rajasthan where India Alliance got 11 seats while NDA got 14 seats. So let's say you're clicking here. Okay, so when we are clicking here, so since the entire dashboard is interactive and like every visuals is connected to each other, so when we click here on this part, this is this is Maharashtra. Exactly, this is Maharashtra. So when we click on the Maharashtra, you would see that we get all the seats of the Maharashtra. So those being in the saffron color, it's actually from the NDA, and those being in the blue color, it is India Alliance. So you would see here these dots are for the Indian Alliance, and these saffron dots are for the NDA Alliance. Okay, so here we would see that all the dots that are in the saffron color, they are representing NDA, and they are candidates of the NDA alliance who have won. And these blue dots, they are candidates of the India alliance who have won the elections. So now let's see. Here we actually have made this map look like a saffron and blue color. Like it is for the states where NDA has got larger number of seats compared to the India alliance. So let's talk about this in Gujarat. NDA has got more seats than India, while if you hover here in Chhattisgarh, NDA has got larger seats than India. So let's go to the blue color. When we go over here, we see that in Maharashtra and India Alliance has got more seats compared to the NDA Alliance. All right, so now let's go to the next dashboards. Okay, I think we need to just where we have come, man. Okay, yeah, all right. So it is a political landscape by state. That means this will tell us state-wise result and in which state which party has got which alliance and which party has got what number of seats. So right now it is Uttar Pradesh. So in Uttar Pradesh you would see that NDA has got 30. NDA has got BJP, which is a part of the NDA, has got 33 seats, and so Indian National Congress, that's a part of India Alliance, has got 6 seats, and in the India Alliance, SP and INC, they are part of the Indian Alliance, while there are other parties that are part of NDA Alliance. Okay, so let's see that you want to see it for any other place. Okay, so here is the slicer. Here we have in the top right corner. So let's say that we want to see it only for the Bihar. Okay, so when clicking on the Bihar, we get all the data for the Bihar, where India managed to get 9 seats and NDA got 30 seats, and while others got 1 seat. I think it's about the so. We are seeing for the Bihar right now, like we have already seen for the Uttar Pradesh. So let's say we want to see it for the Bihar. So when we click on the slicer and we select the Bihar, so we have everything displayed for the Bihar itself right now. So we would see that in the Bihar, India Alliance has managed to get 9 seats, while you talk about the NDA Alliance, it has got good number of seats. That's 32. And here in the tables, we actually have all the details that what parties got what number of seats in NDA Alliance and in India Alliance as well. So let's go to the final. All right, so now we are on the last dashboards where we have been analyzing for the constituency, like to the level of constituency. So that's why this dashboard is named as the constituency analysis. So here we have some important KPIs to monitor. Where first KPI is about the total votes, like the total number of votes that was casted in that constituency, and then we have uh, the votes that was casted through the EVM. So these are the votes out of the total votes which was casted through the ATM, through the EVM votes. And then second we have the postal votes, which is another important KPIs. And then here the last KPI is about how many candidates was contesting from that constituency. So the more specific it is Ahmednagar, and here there was 26 candidates fighting in that constituency. So and these are the these are the visuals that help us to know which candidate is winning from which constituency. So since it is Ahmednagar, so here Nilesh Dhyandev Lanke is leading and has won from this constituency, and is a part of the NCP-SP party. And the runner up is from the BJP party, and second runner up is from uh, second runner up is from second run up is independent, it's not from any of the party. So let's say that I want to see for some other constituency, since okay, randomly let's say that you want to see for the Amethi. So here, like we all know that who has won from the Amethi, it's from the India Alliance, because Amethi is considered as one of the hot seat for the Lok Sabha elections, where see uh, Kishori Lal, who is from the Indian National Congress, has won from that constituency and has got around 54 to 55% of the votes. And runner up was some Smriti Rani from Bharatiya Janata Party, who got 37% of the votes. And second runner up was from Bahujan Samaj Party, and the total number of candidates contesting in that constituency was 14. So like this you can see for any other. Okay, so this, I mean, this is the slicer which will help you to see the data specific constituency wise.